Take a picture of me here. In front of the thing, ready? 3, 2,
Wait, who's in your guys' mental health class? Fuck my D like, cause I'm the grandmaster with the 3 and 6.